Hello everyone. Today we are going to learn how to find square of two-digit number by Vedic maths method. Friends, you know, if a number is multiplied by itself is the square of that number. I hope at the end of this video you will be enjoying this method. So without wasting any time, let's learn and understand this method. In first example, we learn how to find square of 54. First, you have to doing square of 5, that is 25. Just put two dots here. And square of 4. That is 16. In next step, multiply 5 with 4. 5 with 4, that is 20. Twice of 20, that is 40. Write 40 in such a manner that the unit place must be vacant. So 40 we write 0 and 4. Just add all these 6. 1, 9, 2. So the square of 54 is 2916. In second example, square of 8, that is 64. Write two dots in front of 64. Then square of 6, that is 36. Next step, multiply 8 with 6. 8 with 6, that means 8 into 6. 8 6 are 48. Twice of 48 is 96. Write 96 in such manner that unit place must be vacant. So we write 96 in this manner. And after that, adding 6, 3 plus 6, 9, 9 plus 4, 13, 1 carry, 1 plus 6, 7. So the square of 86 is 7396. See another example, 93. Square of 93. In this, square of 9, that is 81. Write two dots. Now write down square of 3, 9, but write 9, 0, 9. Write 9 in this way, 0, 9. In next step, multiply 9 with 3, 9 3s are 27, double of 27, 54. Again we write unit place vacant. Write 54 in this way. After that, add 9, 0 plus 4, 4, 1 plus 5, 6 and 8. So the square of 93 is 8649. Next example, square of 22. Write square of 2, that is 4. Write two dots in front of 4. Again square of 2, 2 square is 4, write 4, 0, 4 in this way. Next step, multiplying 2 with 2, 2 2s are 4, twice of 4, 8. This unit place must be vacant and write 8 below 0. And then addition of all this, that means 4, 0 plus 8, 8 and 4 as it is. So the square of 22 is 484. In fifth example, write square of 87. How to find square of 87? It's easy. Square of 8, that is 64. Just write 2 dots. After that, square of 7, that is 49. In next step, multiply 8 with 7. 8 sevens are 56. Twice of 56, 112. Write 112 this manner. 2, 1 and 1. After last part, we add 9, 4 plus 2, 6, 4 plus 1, 5 and 6 plus 1, 7. So the square of 87 is 7569. See another example, square of 96. In this example we find square of 96. Again same trick, square of 9, 81. Then square of 6, 36. Next step, multiply 9 with 6, 54 and twice of 54 is 108. Write 108 such manner that unit place must be vacant. 108 we can write in this way, and then add 6, 3 plus 8, 11, carry 1, 1 plus 1, 2, 8 plus 1, 9. So the square of 96 is 9216. In this video, we have learnt how to find square of 2-digit numbers. Hope you found this trick helpful. If you want to learn such kind of mathematical tricks, do subscribe the channel.